Hello children, welcome to your English class. This is your English teacher Ms. Balwinder Singla. Today we are going to study lesson 1, the painting. It is a very interesting chapter related to a folk tale of Tenali Rama. As we all know that Tenali Rama was one of the 8 poets at the court of Krishna Dev Rai, the king of Vijayanagar. He was a scholar, thinker and a special advisor in the court of King Krishna Dev Rai. He is generally known for the folk tales which focus on his keen intelligence. So in this chapter, once again, Tenali proved himself to be the cleverest of all ministers. To know the story, let's get started. It is a usual day. Usual means normal. It is a usual day at the court of Raja Krishna Dev Rai. Court means a place to hear the case. As you can see in the picture, this is the court of Raja Krishna Dev Rai. The king is sitting on the throne and on both the sides the courtiers are sitting. An artist has come to show his paintings. The king and most of his courtiers means attendants or advisors. They are impressed with the paintings. Impressed means they like the paintings very much. They are strongly influenced. However, one of the courtiers, Tenali Rama, looks displeased. Displeased means unhappy. He was not happy to see the paintings. "That is really a beautiful painting," said the king. "You are very talented." Talented means having special skill. "You will be given a bag of gold coins. We shall be very pleased if you can make more such paintings." Pleased means happy. The king said to the artist, "Your Highness is very kind." Your Highness means the king here. It is a title given to a royal person. So the artist said, "Your Highness is very kind. It will be an honor to make paintings for you." An honor means a token of respect. "I do not think those paintings are good," said Tenali. "Well, I think they are perfectly lovely," said the king. "Look at this painting. Where is the other side of these two men? You can only see their left side," said Tenali. "What an ignorant fool you are." Ignorant means having less knowledge. The king said to Tenali, "You have to imagine the bits that are not visible." Visible means things which can be seen with an eye. So the king said to Tenali that the things which are not visible in this painting, you have to imagine those bits. "I believe I can paint better than that," said Tenali. "If you do, you will receive a bag of gold coins," said the king. "Well, I could if I had a canvas and some paints," said Tenali. "You may have the canvas and paints in a month's time," said the king. The king said him that you will be provided with the canvas and paints and you will be given 1 month's time to complete that painting also. If at the end of the month you bring me a painting that is half as good means if the painting is better than the artist's painting, I promise you a bag of gold coins, said the king. "I accept the challenge. After a month I will show you a better painting," said Tenali. The courtiers who are listening snigger behind their hands. Snigger behind their hands means they laughed and made fun of Tenali. They know Tenali Rama cannot paint. Tenali glares angrily at them and walks out. He looks at them very angrily and then he walks out. He has really painted himself into a corner. Now here it's an idiomatic phrase used here. Children, you will be learning many idiomatic phrases in this chapter and this is one of them. He has really painted himself into a corner. This phrase means that Tenali has put himself into a difficult situation. He thinks he is smarter than everyone else. The other courtier said, "You have really caught him out." Caught him out, this is again a phrase. It means that you have really caught him making a mistake. "Your Highness, I would like to see him get out of this one," said another courtier. "I wouldn't be too certain of that." Certain means sure of that. "He really is very clever," said king. A month passes by. The courtiers are eager to see Tenali's painting. "So what do we have next?" said the king. "Your Highness, today is the day Tenali Rama shows you his painting," said one of the courtiers. "Then where is he? It's late and almost time for my lunch," said the king. "Perhaps he is so busy with his masterpiece that he has lost all track of time." Perhaps means possibly. So one courtier said that perhaps he is so busy with his masterpiece. Masterpiece means a work of outstanding skill. He said that he is so busy with his masterpiece that he has lost all track of time. Here, all track of time is again another phrase. It means he has forgotten how much time has passed, said the courtier. "Perhaps his painting is so good that he can't bear to part with it." Bear means tolerate. To part with it. Part with it means separate it, said the another courtier. "Well, we can't wait any more. He has lost his bag of gold coins," said the king. Yes, yes, it's only fair that if he can't make good his boast, he should pay a penalty." Here, make good his boast is again a phrase. It means that do what he has said he would do. He should pay a penalty. Penalty means punishment for breaking a law. The courtier said that if he cannot do what he has said he would do, then he should pay a penalty. "Ah, there he is. Look, he has brought a painting, but it is covered with a cloth," said another courtier. Tenali comes in followed by two men holding a covered painting. The Raja lifts the cloth to find a blank canvas with a few curved strokes. Strokes means lines. Strokes of black at the edge. Edge means corner. And a few wisps of green below. Here, few wisps of green means grass. "Good afternoon, Your Highness. Look what a beautiful horse I have drawn," said Tenali. "It's a magnificent black stallion." Magnificent means very attractive. Black stallion. Stallion means a male horse with a white star on its forehead. Look at the polished leather saddle on it. Saddle means seat at the back of the horse. So Tenali said that he has drawn a beautiful black horse on the canvas. "What is this? I don't see a horse," said the king. "This is insulting. You are trying to fool me. There is nothing on this canvas," said the king. "Well, you said that we should use our imagination. The rest of the horse is just outside the canvas grazing. Look, you can see the edge of its tail in that corner above the lush grass." Lush means thick grass. He shows his painting to him and reminds the king of his words which he said him, that if you want to see the painting, you have to imagine the bits of it. You have got the better of me." It is again a phrase. It means defeated me in the challenge, said the king. The king said to Tenali that he has defeated him in the challenge. "Minister, give the bag of gold coins to Tenali Rama, the cleverest of all my ministers." So once again, Tenali Rama proved himself to be really the cleverest of all the ministers of King Krishna Dev Rai. Thank you.